Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Brandon Cooks It All. So today I'm going to be making a lemon cake.
So the ingredients are going to be lemon juice, and what I did, I added it fresh from a lemon. The secret is you got to roll it. Roll it, squeeze everything out, make sure you don't have no seeds in it. Need some sugar, some milk, some flour, mix with salt and baking powder, vanilla extract and lemon extract, butter. We have butter flavored shortening. We have some sour cream and some zest of a lemon. And also, don't forget about the eggs. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is mix the flour, the baking powder, and salt mixture. You're going to stir it in there. Add your butter that's softened to room temperature into your mixer. Add the butter flavored shortening. And use the sugar. Use all that sugar. Get it up in there. And we're going to mix this up real well. So, when I was recording this video today, I had a live audience. I had my two daughters, Brooklyn and Sienna, and I had baby Kason here today. So I ended up doing a voiceover instead of just speaking through the video like I normally do, because there were some, let's just say there were some sounds and baby cries and baby sounds in the background that we didn't really want on the video. So I hope you like the voiceover. Alright, so now it's time to add the eggs. You're supposed to add them one at a time, but they're in a container and you add them slowly. I think that counts as one at a time. Alright, so now we're going to mix the lemon extract and the vanilla extract in with our mixture. And then we're going to add the sour cream and lemon zest. So what we're going to do is take this lemon juice and mix it in with the milk because it's going the same place. And then what we'll start doing is alternating the dry ingredients with the milk and lemon mixture until we get it all mixed up well. Make sure you scrape your sides to make sure everything's get mixed up nice. And then now we'll just make sure your pan is greased so it don't stick, and we'll get into your pan.
Hey guys, we're back. The cake is ready. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes. So we're going to get it out of here and get it off so it can start cooling and we get the glaze on top.
Yeah, split at the top like any other loaf, but I think overall it came out well. Gonna take it out of the pan and get it onto the wire rack so it can cool further and cool all the way before we get the glaze mixed up and get the lemon glaze on top. So this didn't come out as clean as I wanted it to, as I would have liked, but hey, it happens. If this is the worst thing that happened to me all day, it was a good day. So keep it moving, and we're still gonna glaze it. We're still gonna eat the cake. Look at that. Came out almost clean, a little patch, you know. Alright, get it cool off a little more, then we'll get it glazed. Alright guys, so coming to the conclusion of this video, what I'm going to do is now make some icing for the lemon cake. So lemon icing, you need some powdered sugar, which is sifted, butter, some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and I also added some vanilla extract to the lemon juice. So we're going to add the powdered sugar to this with the melted butter, and then we're going to add the lemon mixture with the vanilla extract in it. Make sure you scrape the sides to get it mixed up nice, and then we'll get it off and drizzle it over the cake. Alright, so now that this icing is mixed, just take some and we're just going to drizzle it over. Real nice. Alright, well, when my taste testers get ready, they'll be out and at the table ready to test this as always. Alright, so my two taste testers, say hi.
Hi.
So, alright guys.
Say your blessing.
Taste it, let me know, let the world know what you think.
It's good.
What does it taste like?
Lemon. Because the icing is like sour like the lemon, so it's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, well, there you have it. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Brandoncooksitall. Until next time, bye.
Bye.